we're going to the Lowe's. There he is. Yep.
That's what we should buy, a house on wheels.
There's the Guardian Center there. Guardian Center.
Why are you holding it right there?
And here's the RJ. Say hi, RJ.
Okay, we're here.
Okay, go inside now. Yep. See, there he is. Oh, how much? This look like a apple. See, apple, honey.
Same price, $50.
This apple, $34.98. Oh, really delicious. This was this, RJ. Look like a peach. RJ, don't make wet. Tall tree, RJ. Here is the tall tree, RJ. Here is a bark. You want a bark, RJ? Okay, RJ. What's shoe, RJ? Hello! You're a runner, RJ. RJ is a runner. Oh, what you doing, RJ?
Favors.
Fevers. There he is. RJ.
This has a nice one.
What in the patio? Yeah, nice.
That's what we have in the back that we stand on for
That RJ.
horseshoes, remember?
Yeah.
You sit on it for horseshoes?
Be careful, you fall down, RJ. Hey, RJ. You like that? RJ? Yeah, nice. That. Oh, this look like a cement. Careful, you fall down in your foot. Is that RJ? Is that there? Oh no.
U-boat. The fence around the house?
Oh, up here, other paints here.
Well, like this fence in the house?
No. Where? Yeah, that's in the front. Front of the house.
Get brown though.
Oh, up here, honey, look. That's the plant, honey. Honey, this is the plant. honey.
No.
What, RJ?
You think the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
That's gonna be good, no grass.
I was so tall, RJ.
Hey,
This is emerald green, honey.
Mommy.
Oh, there's the little ones over there.
Mommy.
See, it's bigger here,
Mommy.
honey. 1999.
Mommy.
Compared to...
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, yeah.
You think the Christmas tree.
Yeah, look like...
$7.98.
Yeah, see this, honey? They're in
You
the...
want to match the size, don't you?
They're in JMG is a 20 is small. This
What
is
do you want to do?
bigger.
Big or small?
Wow.
You let go.
$7.98. Look at that, RJ. RJ. Take two. Where's taller, honey? This taller. There is $7.98.
I want the same one.
Yeah, the same. Emerald
Aborted?
green. Yeah,
Love
abortive.
Oh, it doesn't look very full.
Okay.
This one looks fuller.
Careful, RJ.
Doesn't it look fuller?
Huh?
Is that okay? It doesn't look full.
Yeah, it's taller.
Yeah,
That.
this is full.
It's okay. Honey, just put dirt. Okay, enough that.
No, get the flowers in over there.
There.
Yeah.
The flowers.
There is.
Last time, sir.
Here's the plant here. And here is.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, take Maggie with you, RJ.
Okay,
Yay.
go. You go first. find the flowers? There they are, purple.
I not see here. It's not here. See the fish, RJ? Another fish.
That's what I was waiting for.
Yeah. RJ. Oh no. Another fish. Look at that, RJ. Oh, there's decoration here, RJ. These flowers. It's a fruit. Wow. Nice fruit. Raspberry. What's this? Potato. Seed potato, RJ.
Fell in. That's all over.
There's RJ. There's RJ.
See the flowers over there?
Oh, there is a flower. There's the flower here. Purple.
More expensive.
Yep. At that.
That's the way inside.
Here, we look at here.
Look at these flowers.
Ah, different is Hana.
Oh, that's a different place. What's the name?
Purple. Purple.
Purple.
What's
Yeah.
the name of them?
Yeah. Okay, we go inside now. RJ.
Toy center.
It's the seeds, RJ.
Stop, stop, stop.
Got this here. Cucumber. Green. Dragon. Mosquitoes. What's this floods here? What?
Buy it for
Oh
30.
no!
We sell it for 100.
Welcome, RJ. 100. 29, honey.
We buy it for 29. Then we go to Black Bear Diner, talk to the owner, we sell it to him for 100.
Ayun po.
$70.
Fertilizer. It's not here, honey. Look like Home Depot that I buy. There's the flowers. It's nice flowers here. Go back here again. Corn, sweet corn. Yeah.
Yellow mixture.
Silver Queen hybrid.
Okay, get that.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, enough this
So the
time.
other thing I have is tulips. And all along here too.
Yeah.
Nothing for you?
No.
Next Saturday we'll go back to Tuesday. Get that?
Here's our
We will.
origin.
Leave them on there, and I'll put them in the bag.
Okay, that's it, RJ. Here's RJ. RJ. We go home now. Ah! There it is. There it is, RJ, the garden center.